In this workshop, we're going to dig into the very essential topic of road mapping your UX process. Like, UX process is the holy grail of UX management, like getting the consistent repeat success, knowing what to do, acting very quickly, being able to do it cheaply without making a big event of UX research or UX design. UX management needs a roadmap. And in this workshop, we're going to dig into how to create a roadmap that works for your organization and that works for the stage of UX maturity that you're at. So important to align your UX process with the reality of your organization and the dynamics of your organization, and to bring that into a tactical map that you can use to speed up your maturity, your evolution, if you will, as an organization, to move to the next level and to be able to handle and master the complexity of managing UX. So this masterclass is all about road mapping your UX program, center of excellence, and process. Hope to see you on the workshop.